biggest swell of the season so far. This is what I throw up in, and this is what I take shits all day in. It's like a 2-hour trip, man. 2-hour bike ride to the port, then a 5-hour boat, then another 2-hour bike ride. I'm gonna get there at what, like 5 in the morning?
I'm ready.
So what are we doing? We're gonna go Desert Point, biggest swell of the season so far apparently, and we're gonna try and catch the wave of our lives. That's the mission. The mission starts now. What time is it? Like 7 o'clock. So we're gonna leave at 7 o'clock. We're gonna leave Bali at 7 o'clock. We're gonna arrive in Desert Point at like 6 a.m. Hopefully. What do you say, boys?
Let's go. Let's go, boys. On a little mission. No.
We're ready. So when we get there, it might be like 8 foot already. Who knows? 8 foot, 10 foot. But let's see. I don't know. We'll go check it out. Let's go.
Boys. Get it in. Boys. Get it. One warrior 2, warrior 3. Yeah. What's up? Warrior 4.
What's up, boys?
One.
We made it to the port. 2 hours of bike. Can't even open my eyes. Got in Chinese. And now we got 6-hour boat left. We're gonna go try to get the boat. Apparently leaves at 12 o'clock, but you never know what time it's gonna leave here. So we're just gonna head to the boat, get on it, make sure we're on it, make sure we get there. Let's go.
$2,000 years later.
Good morning, boys. English lessons as well. Have you heard of it? It's pumping. Some good waves coming through.
Like barrel riding?
Barrel. Wow, man, I've been asleep the whole day, bro.
I'm sorry, there's been so many noises, like this is going on like the whole day. No.
Oh, fuck.
Just rocked up at Desert Point. I went straight to bed because it was like a 12-hour trip, and then we've woken up and it's pretty much like 6 foot pumping is what it looks like. We're gonna drink some water, wax the board up, and get straight in the water, and then you're gonna show them the waves. Solid set just came in, so let's hope it keeps pumping like that. Let's hope we can pick one of them waves up. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Two days in the toilet, catching the best waves in Desert Point. That's what's going on, man. What we're here for, man. Throw up the toilet. That's what I flush the toilet with. This is what I throw up in. And this is what I take shits all day in. There's a surfboard that I haven't used so far. That's basically the tour of the Desert Point crib.
Meanwhile.
My life right now. Fucking love Desert Point.
He's
honestly.
the best. Fucking hell.
We're back.
Are you back?
No, I don't think I'm back.
No?
Did it look like I was back in there?
Luego iba a hacer el vlog de cómo se puso malo, tío, el pobre.
Yeah.
Fuck.
How to be sick in desert point.
No, I've been sick for like 2 days. No, we're leaving, boys. It's done. 5 minutes.
Desert
Out of desert. I can't stay here, man. It's done. I'm coming back here, man. Beautiful and everything, but not for me, man. Got some cockfights going on out here on the balcony, included in the price of the accommodation. All inclusive here.
All inclusive.
$3 a night. All inclusive.
All inclusive. We got chickens running in and out. We got 12 kids just coming in and out when they want. It's beautiful, man. We're leaving.
No.